I'm back with another DIY, so let's make some ice cubes. First, I'm just gonna get me some water. I got some nice alkaline water in there. I use blood orange, lemon, and ginger, and passion fruit for these. So the first ones I made were the passion fruit ones, just easy. Put the cube in, add some water. The next ones I did was strawberries. I just chopped them up and added water. I tried to be slick by using this funnel and ended up making way more mess. So just pour the water in there. It'll be alright. These ones I didn't add nothing to it. They plain Jane. And then this is where I use the majority of the fruit that I slice. So I put in the blood oranges, the lemon, the ginger, and the two in the top. I added the leftover strawberries that I had. These are bomb.com. Not gonna hold you. You pop that big old ice cube in your water and it tastes so good. I'm not even gonna hold you. So I just put these in the freezer, and these are kind of hard to stack. I don't know if they work for candy, Jello, whatever. I don't know. I got them at the 99-cent only store. I would truly miss y'all. You know, they are not in business no more. But yeah, these are fire. Look how they come out, and they're so cute. I'm gonna try some other ways, maybe like do blended ones, different colors, different fruits. But this is so fun. I really enjoy making these ice cubes. I'm gonna try some more recipes and make them more fancy. I like watching those videos, so I figured I would try it. And yeah, they taste good. And I love ice. I shouldn't be eating, but yeah. Bye.